Hello, welcome to my Excel 1-minute video series. Today's Excel function is the now function. I'm Chris Menard. The now function has no arguments and A1 equals now, open parent, press enter. It'll give you the date and the time. It is 2:36 p.m. on the 22nd. It'll automatically also update. Just so you know this, a couple more here. You can add days to it. There's 7 additional days to get to the 29th. And I'm going to subtract 7 days just to show you this is working. If you want just the time, a couple different ways to do this. One, I could format A1, A2, or A3 just to show the time. But I'm going to take the now function, which shows the date and the time, subtract the today function, which the today function will only show today. Just to prove this, I've already covered this. That only shows today. I'm going to come over here and tell A4 in the number group to be time. And there we go. In case you're wondering, it'll update automatically, as I mentioned. If you want to update it yourself, in case you're noticing it's not updating as quickly as you want it to, you can always come over here to calculate now. You can also press the F9 function key. It is 2:37. If you notice, I keep updating and the seconds keep changing. I'm going to give it a second. There we go. Feel free to subscribe. Let me know if you have any comments. Have a great day. Thank you.